The MiCollab client offers instant messaging in an easy-to-use chat collaboration tool. To start a chat, click Messages. Search for the contact. Hover over the contact. Click the chat icon. This starts a chat session. If you have a prior conversation with this contact, this loads as well. Type your message. Press return or click send to send the message. With the correct permissions, you can make an audio recording. Click the microphone icon to start and stop your recording. Click the play icon to listen to the recording. Click the delete icon to delete the recording. Click the send icon to send your recording. To send your location, click the location icon. This will create a map with a pin at your location that can be sent in the chat message. For this to work, allow apps to access your location needs to be enabled in Windows settings. Contact your IT administrator if you do not have permission to enable this. Click Send. You can upload a file to the chat. Click the icon. Browse for the file. Click Open. Click Send. To send an emoji, click on the emoji icon. Choose the emoji. Click Send. To respond to a previous chat with an emoji, choose the chat. Click the emoji. Click the emoji to remove it. To reply to an earlier chat, choose the chat. Click on the reply icon. Type your response. Click Send. To edit or delete a chat, choose the chat. Click the three dots. Choose your option from the list. To delete the message, click Delete Message. Click Delete Message or Cancel. To delete multiple messages, click the three dots. Choose Select Messages. Select Messages for deletion. Click Delete Message. Click Delete Message or Cancel. To edit a message, choose the message. Click the three dots. Click Edit Message. Make your changes. Click Update Message.